Now for some sound swap. We have our starter word here. Let's say the sounds to read the word. Together. B-it. Bit. Make sure you write that word on your board or on your piece of paper, ready to do sound swap. Okay. We are going to make bit say bill. Bit say bill. What sound do we need to swap? Good, swap it now. We needed to change bit to bill. Bill. Guess what? It's a double spelling. If you didn't put the double spelling on, that's okay. Put it on now. Bill. Let's change bill to mill. Mill. What sound do you need to change? Change it now. That's right, we need to change the B to mill. Mill. M-E-L. Mill. Good. Now let's change mill to miss. Miss. What sound do we need to change? That's right, we need to change this double spelling on the end. Miss. It's going to have another double spelling. It's a miss. Miss. And that is that sound swap for today.